ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಫುಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್.
Okay.
You can read. You know English, na?
English.
Beautiful. Start reading from there. And we have Bhagavad Gita course starting from September, free. Every Saturday 1 hour.
I joined once, but I can't complete it.
Now do it. It's so beautifully they are explaining.
Yeah, mother.
Do it again. It's just